balance
half
out.
of it. Johnny? George? There we go. Things in space are huge.
Not always charged.
15. Why do electrical forces dominate between atoms that are close together? Kevin?
What?
Pardon?
I hear stupidity.
Half mark. Angela? Levi?
Inverse square law?
That's it? No.
Well, because of the?
No. Dave?
I have the closer the forces are, the more power the forces have.
Still no.
Because they're small, the electric force.
At least I guessed.
There we go.
What?
Atoms are tiny, therefore there's not much gravity. But the electric force is strong. It's the opposite of 14. 16. What is the difference between a good conductor and a good insulator? Sure.
Good conductor transmits electrons with low resistance. Good insulator will not allow electrons to move.
Perfect. 17A. Why are metals good conductors?
I know this one.
The motion of electric charges for the same reason they are good conductors of heat, their electrons are released.
Yes. Free electrons. B. Why are materials such as rubber and glass good insulators? Spencer.
They have tightly held over electrons.
Right.
Hurry for chemistry 11.
18. What is a semiconductor?
Both conductor and insulator.
Yes. 19. What is a superconductor? Brittany.
Superconductor? A really good conductor?
No. Sorry, not going to let that one.
Wow. A
Matt?
really good conductor.
Half. Danik. Jeremy. Sky. Half still. Joe.
Can I
Indeed.
please answer this?
Yep. There we go.
That's what Matt said.
Not quite. He forgot the fact that it has zero resistance and infinite conductivity. He got the whole cold temperatures part, but he didn't mention the fact that it has no resistance. 20A. What are the three main methods of charging objects? Perfect. One mark. B. Which involves no touching? Induction. Good.
What?
21. What is lightning? Yep. That's it. 22. What is the function of a lightning rod? Johnny.
What, flash electrons in the air?
I can live with that. It prevents discharge or acts as a guide to ground. 23. What does it mean to say an object is electrically polarized? George.
Ew.
Perfect. Opposite charges of opposite ends. 24. When a charged object polarizes another, why is there an attraction between the objects? Kevin.
Wow.
Angela?
Did you hear anything that she's saying?
I can live with that.
What was that?
You know, they're oppositely charged. Okay.
They attract other by contact, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
25.
all we
What
needed
is
to
an
hear.
electric dipole? Levi.
When there's not an even charge throughout the molecule, like a water molecule.
Sure. The charge is not evenly spread out. Good.
Chemistry
They can
11.
explain, number one, electrical forces between charges are enormous relative to gravitational forces. Yet, we don't normally sense electrical forces between us and our environment, while we do sense our gravitational interaction with the Earth. Why is this so?
I wrote forces must balance out, so more gravitational force is experienced to match the large electrical force.
Pretty much. What's the difference between electrical force and gravity?
One's bigger, one's smaller.
One's big, one's small. What else? One's mass, one's charge.
The constants, one's large and one's
But
small.
I mean the actual force itself.
Inverse square law?
Why do you resort to inverse square law for everything?
Gravity
Because I'm good at it.
Doesn't, and the charge can go in any direction depending on what.
Repel or attract?
Right. Gravity is attractive. Electrical is either. Which means a lot of the time the electrical one will cancel out.
Wait a
Whereas with gravity,
Any carpet around
unless you're
here,
at the
Mr.
very
Bear?
beginnings of the universe, when it was repulsive instead of attractive,
So yes?
I can live with that, but not great. Number two, by how much is the electrical force between a pair of ions reduced when their separation is doubled? A fourth, good. How about triple?
A 9.
A ninth, good.
1 mark?
1 mark. You're just squaring 2 and 3.
I didn't have to do that with a calculator.
3, if you scuff electrons from your hair onto a comb. Comb?
Comb. Comb.
What's a comb?
Oh yeah, you're
Seriously?
bald.
Okay, good.
Sorry, I should have kept that in my head.
Are you positively or negatively charged?
You can comb your beard.
Yes. And the comb is? Negative.
1 mark?
1 mark.
I think it'll be like a chair thrown at me by the end of the day.
Negative charges are moving from your hair onto the comb.
So, so if I comb my hair and touch Paige, I will shock her.
Possibly.
Don't try it.
Depends on how much gel you have in your hair.
I don't think I have any gel in my hair.
I don't think.
Number 4.
I don't think.
An electroscope is a simple device. It consists of a metal ball that is attached by a conductor to 2 fine gold leaves that are
pretty sure.
protected from air disturbances in a jar, as shown in the sketch. When the ball is touched by a charged object, the leaves that normally hang straight down spring apart. Why?
Like charges.
Did you hear what I said?
No.
It's like you don't know if we gel your hands were like a couple months ago.
They have the same charge.
I did shower
Same
this
charge.
morning.
I just brought it down, sorry.
Yes, they end up with the same charge, so they repel. Would it be necessary for a charged object to actually touch the leaves electroscope for the leaves to diverge? No.
Yeah.
Why not?
Induction.
Induction, yes. Forces don't have to touch. They can act at a distance. If a glass rod that is rubbed with a plastic dry cleaner's bag acquires a certain charge,